Hey guys, Ajay over here and welcome to my channel, My Passive Income Mentor, where I review latest digital marketing products and how-to videos on starting your own business online. If starting your own business online is something that you're looking to do, I would encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and these are the exact topics that I'm going to be covering. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product for you known as Flix. Now, in a nutshell, what Flix does, it is a platform just like YouTube or Dailymotion, but using this platform, you can use the videos of other creators on YouTube or Dailymotion and make money out of them by doing advertising on them. So like how this entire thing happens and all, I'm going to be covering as I log into a members area. But if this is something which interests you, please be with me to the end of the video, as I have put together tons of bonuses for you guys if you decide to purchase the product via my link. To access the bonuses and the product, you have to click the link in the description below. So this is the bonus page. On my bonus page, you click on these yellow color buttons and you will go to the sales page, where you can click this yellow color button and buy the product. So this product is for $19, but if you try to close, you will get a pop-up which will give you $2 discount. So you can get the product for $17. And the bonuses that I have put together for you are available to you even if you go for just the front end version, which is $17. Now the first bonus I have for you is 500 royalty free background tracks. So these are something which I have put together which will help you to make the videos that you are getting from YouTube and let's say Dailymotion to be even more effective. You can change the background tracks, and all of these are royalty free tracks, so you really did not worry anything about privacy, about copyright, anything. The second bonus that I have for you is Urgency Suites Pro. So Urgency Suites Pro is an entire suite of software which allows you to use urgency in your campaigns to 10x your commissions. So basically what Urgency Suites Pro does is, within your campaigns it will put down countdown timers and other things which will push the prospect towards taking the decision now. The third bonus I have for is the Breakthrough. So the Breakthrough is an entire course, a system which teaches you how to get started online and finally get that breakthrough in your journey. It will cover all the time-tested methods of making money online and how you can choose any one of them and get started on your journey. The fourth bonus I have for you is Bing Ads Mastery. So in your online journey, traffic is one of the most critical things, and Bing is still the platform which gives you one of the freshest traffic and at relatively cheaper cost. So Google traffic is equivalent to Bing, but it is at least 50% more expensive than Bing, which is why when you are beginning, Bing Ads Mastery makes a lot of sense, so that you understand how Bing Ads operate, because using the same principles, once you have some more budget, you can apply the principles to your AdWords and scale AdWords. The last bonus I have for you is Launch Jacking Guide. So launch jacking is basically a method of affiliate marketing wherein you use the power of review videos and YouTube to generate commissions online. So this is the course which actually sells for about $1,500 to $2,000. So similar course, not the same course, but in this course you will be getting as a bonus for $17 product, you will be able to learn the same principles and implement the same and start your journey. So this is a very powerful method, probably one of the best bonuses you will ever get online. So all these bonuses that I just described to you, you are available till this countdown timer hits 0. So you have some time still to purchase them. So go ahead and do that. Again, just click on any of these orange color buttons and you will be able to go to the sales page. Now all this is a Warrior Plus product. So once you purchase your Warrior Plus product, within your Warrior Plus account, you will be able to access a blue color button which says access affiliate bonuses. Now once you click on this, you will get access to all your bonuses. You need not contact me or contact anybody else. All the bonuses will be delivered to you automatically. So now that we are clear with all the bonuses, let's go into members area of Flip and just check out what it is. So here I am within the members area of Flip. Just to give you a heads up, I will be showing you how it all works, but there was some glitch when I tried it earlier, so I don't know. So I have told the vendor it is usually okay with software projects, but let's see if it has been sorted till now. So what happened is, you can see over here, so this is a platform just like YouTube or something, Flix platform. You can see this video has about 7,000 views, this has about 4,000 videos, and these are not videos which are prepared by themselves. So on this site you can go and you can upload videos from other channels. So there are three options, one is upload, one is import, and one is live. So let's see the import option. So you can import from YouTube or Dailymotion. So if you, so let's say I'm searching for make money online, public search, 5 pages, how to style videos, manual import, search. Okay, so as I told you, there is some technical issue, but once you do, you will find videos which get populated on this page. So once the videos get populated on this page, you can change the description of those videos, and then as the traffic builds to this site, your videos which will get all the traffic. Now once you have the videos, you also have the option to monetize them. You can monetize your channel. So I'll just go into what are sources of monetization. So like you can run video. So there are types of ways of doing monetization. So you can run an image ad on your video. You can have an opt-in form so that people can buy from you within the video. They can give you their details. You can have buy buttons embedded within the videos. You can have CTA buttons, anything if you want to send them to other sales page. You can have Google video ads, and then you can have Google AdSense. So these are all the ways where you can place it, that either at the start of the video or at the end of the video. So there are a lot of options. So just if I tell you button, this is one type of button, this is other type of button, this is another type of button. So there are many options over here. So this is how you can actually make use of the videos which have been done by other people, upload them to the Flix platform using simple import option, and then monetize those. So that is what the Flix is all about. And as they also claim in on their sales page, simple 4-click process makes us 53.27 per hour by exploiting a secret platform. So the platform here really is your YouTube and then Dailymotion. Now that we are familiar with the bonuses and the product, let's go and run through what are the features of this product. So most of the things on this sales page I have already covered. So we'll just scroll down and see if there is something which is new. I'll stop by and try to explain more. You can also go to the sales page in your time and just, so this is how popular YouTubers are nowadays. This is a small kid, 8-9 years, he's doing $30 million per year. Mr. Beast 24 million, Dude Perfect 23 million, Rhett and Link 20 million. So as you already might be knowing that YouTube is doing extremely well currently. So this is the 4-click process. You find the video that you want, you select the video on the Flix platform, you re-upload the video, and then you run the monetization option and run. So it is a 4-click process. Now these are some of the features of Worksaver for total beginners. No selling, simple 4-click process. You just leverage other people's hard work, 100% passive income, 0 extra expenses because hosting and all is done. And again, there's a 365 days money back guarantee. So even the $17 that you would be spending is not something which is a risk, because you can always claim it back. I think there are some more bonuses you have over here. Let me just take you through them. Yeah, so you have first bonus. Do you have what it takes to make 2K per day? Right, so this is one bonus that you're going to be getting. The Flix Accelerator, which is 1 million blueprint, recurring 30-second free commission. Then there's super license rights to 3 of our best products. Then there's a discount coupon. So you have 5 products from me, 5 from the vendor, and then the main system itself. So you have total 11 products here for my one-time fee of just $17, which is also covered by a 365 day money back guarantee. So I think I have covered up everything which should help you make your decision to buy this or not. If you still have some questions, do let me know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you.